Hi everybody and welcome back. So for my first hair tutorial video, I wanted to do something easy but still girly and fun and with volume. So I went with a hair crimped look. All you need is a hair crimper and any styling product that you use. You don't necessarily have to use what I'm using, just anything of your choice. So if you're curious on how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So here I'm just going to section off my hair and part it whichever side you do, whether it's left, right, or down the middle. Side works for me because my hair is very crazy. So after you part it, you're going to section off your hair. The way I get volume is where I start from the bottom, then go to the middle, and then at the last I'll go up on top. So this is basically what I'm doing here. So here I'm just taking about an inch to an inch and a half of hair, depending how thick your hair is. That's how much of hair you want to take. And I'm just gonna leave my hair crimper on in this section for a couple of seconds, not too long. You don't want to burn your hair. So yeah, and then once you're done with that little section, you're gonna work your your way down, and pretty much that is it. There's nothing special. That's all you do. So once you finish with one section, you'll move on to the next. So yeah, I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna fast forward through everything and I will talk to you guys at the end of the video. Bye! And I'm back. This is pretty much the end result. Very nice, very simple. Everything I use will be listed down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up if you like to see more hair tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!